Algebra's like sheet music. The important thing isn't can you read music, it's can you hear it. Can you hear the music, Robert?
Yes, I can.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's March 17, Monday, and today I'm going to present you order block model for the morning session and afternoon session. As you can see, there was relative equal highs. Once I go to 4-hour time frame, you will see it better. Then you can see the price went all the way higher, took the liquidity above. Then we have short-term low from where was made new high. We have displacement to the downside. We have price coming back inside this very short block, and here is fair value gap. So your easy, beautiful entry would be right on this candle with the stop loss back above that high. And you take your 2 standard deviation 2.5, and it should go together with some liquidity, as you already know, and it goes together with equal lows. And look what price does. It goes to 2 standard deviation, 2 equal lows, takes equal lows, finally to 2.5, and in the lunch it reverses. So let me show you how much it handles it looks in terms of risk reward. Bread and butter setup, easy peasy lemon squeezy, huh? So this is for the morning session, and let me show you the setup for the afternoon. So the equal lows we're taking, right? You have the movement on the downside, you have intermediate term high. Market structure should be done here and here, but that's lunchtime. You cannot, it's not recommended to enter, okay, during the lunchtime. And then price coming back inside this bullish order block and this inversion fair value gap. Look how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is, isn't it? So this is all of those down closed candles. That's bullish order block. Why? Because it took liquidity below those relative equal lows, and then look on this consequent encroachment. Beautiful, isn't it? And then you have market structure shift over here, right here. Then price goes up and down throughout lunchtime. Then again coming back inside this FVG at about 12:45. This is the time, 12:45. This is the time where you might start hunting the setup. Okay, it's better after 1:30, but at this time you already can be at your computer, and if it's still in your PD array, you can enter. Okay, so in this case the trade could be as follows: entry below those lows, relative equal lows over here. Or okay, let's not make it perfect. Okay, let's not make it perfect. Look, here you have again market structure shift. Okay, about those highs you have market structure shift. You have another fair value gap. So here, and what is that? What do I teach you? That's flat candle. Yes, that's flat candle. That's very logical and easy entry. And I'm not trying to do the lowest stop loss, which would be here, but I'm going for the biggest so that you can see how it's going to look. Because at the very beginning you won't be able to understand where to hide your stop loss. So you have 2 standard deviation, 2.5 and 4. Look, it didn't go a little bit towards those 4 standard deviations, it reverses, but also you have to have a target, some logical target. And the logical target would be the AM session high at almost 2.5 standard deviation. So you would be targeting what? You would be targeting what? That's right, that high. And this is how it would look. Again, 1 to 3.42. Beautiful, isn't it? Entry would be inside this fair value gap. Exit at the morning relative equal highs liquidity. Or if you want to go for low hanging fruit objective, here relative equal highs, just like this. And let me show you all of those other time frames so that you understand what's going on overall in the market this Monday. On monthly time frame it looks like this. You have relative equal lows here, keep it in mind. Then look at that. What is that? That's right, you have flat candle. You have flat candle on weekly, which is great, which is absolutely phenomenal. Then you go to daily. This is how it looks on daily. 4 hour, hourly. Awesome, isn't it? I love that. I love that. 15 minutes, midnight opening price, 8:30 opening, 9:30 opening, those equal highs, equal lows. 5, 3, 2, and 1 you already seen. So hopefully you found this insightful, and until I talk to you next time, be well, all the best, and take care. Wow, what you just learned here could change the whole approach to trading. Are you ready to take the next step? Your next big insight is just one click away.